Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku. Sudoku is a fascinating logic puzzle that challenges your mind. The main objective is to fill a 9x9 grid with numbers from 1 to 9. The key rule is that each number can only appear once in every row, every column, and every 3x3 subgrid. It's a game of deduction and careful observation, offering endless hours of engaging mental exercise. Let's look at the Sudoku grid structure. The entire puzzle is a large 9x9 square, meaning it has 81 individual cells. This large square is further divided into 9 smaller 3x3 boxes. At the start of each game, some cells are already filled with numbers. These pre-filled numbers are your starting clues, and they are crucial for solving the rest of the puzzle. Now, let's dive into some core solving techniques. A great starting point is to scan for rows, columns, or 3x3 boxes that already have many numbers filled in. This makes it easier to spot the missing digits. For any empty cell, consider the numbers already present in its corresponding row, column, and 3x3 box. If only one number is possible, that's your answer for that cell. To truly master Sudoku, consistent practice is key. The more you play, the better you'll become at recognizing patterns and potential number placements. Many players find it helpful to use pencil marks, lightly writing down all possible candidate numbers in each empty cell. This visual aid helps in narrowing down options. Always double-check your work to prevent small mistakes from leading to larger issues later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.